Yo, what is up, everybody? I got these Dinan coils in stock. We're gonna put them in the car, get them in today. I got my little brother helping me. He's moving my car. He's revving it over there. It's parked, so he's gonna pull this shit. He's gonna pull it into the garage, and then we're gonna get right into. They come in a box like this, and then they come in separate boxes. So I'll show you what they look like after this. These are for the b48, b46 engine. They're supposed to be 10% better than the stock ones. And yeah, you need ignition coils, so why not go aftermarket, right? Yeah. Alright, we go get into this. Alright, so first you gotta take your engine cover off. Put that thing over here. Then you're gonna be able to see the first three, but you're gonna have to take these two plastic pieces off and then the strut bar so you can get to the last one in the back. It's like in there, like under this foam.
What worked for me?
What worked? That's what we use to take these plastic pieces off. And then you gotta take the other one off on the other side too. It's just 3 of those. So next, you just wanna kinda feed this out. This little wire right here. I don't even know what that goes to, but you just want to feed that out. And then this slides right off. This slides right off. You put this in the pile. Next, you're gonna want to take these off right here. They're pretty big, so there's 2 more under here. And then it's gonna take off the brakes, and that's gonna let us take this out and get to the 4th one. Also, you're gonna have some clips in here, but like, oh, you're also gonna have to take these off right here. Kinda can see, I think it's like a T10, these little ones. And then there's one here, here. And it should be the same on the opposite side. So you'll kind of just figure it out like as you go. So there's like 1, 1. And then on the opposite side, it's the exact same thing, it's just flipped. You don't need to take this off. You can, it's not in the way, but if you want to, you can take it off. I mean, dang. Side note, bruh. I think I got an oil leak. Yeah, fucking valve covers, bro. Anyways, we're just gonna let that one slide. It might just be my cap, to be honest. I think it's not sealing right, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna talk to a few people, see what they think, but it doesn't look that bad to me. All right, so this is not a 15. I'm pretty sure this ain't no 15 millimeter, but I just forced it off with a 15 mil. You can strip that, so you might not want to do that, but for me, I really don't care. So yeah, I just used the 15 mil. Once you got those off, this will come right off. So once you got those 15s off, that brace will come off. And then now you want to get all these 10s. There's one there, one there, one up there, and then the same on the other side. And this whole plastic piece will come off. All right, so once you got all those 10s off, you're gonna be able to get to this back ignition coil. And then you can pull out this little piece of foam right here. And now we're gonna start pulling these out and popping the new ones in. All right, so these are pretty much the new Dinan ignition coils. They come in red, blue, black. The color doesn't matter, but these are supposed to be just a little bit better than the OEM ones. So I don't know if you're gonna notice it, but I needed the coils, so yeah. All right, so what my brother used was a 1/4 inch to take this little screw out. But I know you're supposed to use like a T1, but we don't have it, so we'll just use this. Yeah. And then after you do that, you should be able to pull these up. And then you're gonna wanna unplug these and then basically just do what you just did. Unplug these, plug into the new one, put the screw in, push it back down. Like, it's the same process. So yeah. So here's a quick little side by side. As you can see, they look like exactly the same, but these are apparently better. So we're gonna find out, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, this is a little side by side, pretty much the exact same thing. This ones are just red. So all right, so we pretty much got three. He pretty much got three in. My brother's doing it for me now, so he pretty much got these three in. It's not hard to mess up. The screw can only go in one way, the coil can only go in one way, and then you can't really mix these up. They're all in order. So yeah, well, they look pretty nice with the charge pipe in the cap, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Hopefully this fixed my starting problem I have. Like, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's weird when it starts up, but we're gonna find out, I guess, right? And yeah. All right, so basically we have them all in now. Just make sure these are all tight, and then these are all tight. Like, make sure they're in all the way, and then make sure your things are clipped in, or your car is like, it's gonna mess up. It's not gonna start right, or you're gonna get a light. Something's gonna happen, bro. Just make sure these are all in right. And then you're pretty much gonna put the car back together now, and I'm gonna try to make a little time lapse of that. All right, so we got the coils in. We're about to do our first little startup, see how it sounds, and yeah, let me get into that. I mean, as you can see, there's not much of a difference. Oh yeah, I'm kind of tuned. Sneak peek, I'm tuned. So if the exhaust sounds a little loud, it's because I'm tuned. Yes, I'll give you a little sneak peek, a little rev. Quick little rev. Hey, rev it! Yeah, I think that's what you call it. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we out. Stay tuned for that tune video. We out of here.